here's something interesting I'll show you guys. So you see on the cover of the case, you know, we have this PlayStation 2 that is debossed into it. We'll work on that right now. And I think first what I'll do is first figure out where it needs to go. So let me look at it like this so I don't lose track. There we go. Just make that for construction. And the whole logo is approximately 60 by 10 millimeters. 60. Yep, I will. And actually, I'm going to get an assist from an Adobe product. So I'll show you that here in a second. Could help you out. I mean, there's ways to do it manually, but it's kind of a pain. Oh, horizontal. There we go. Yeah, it can be weird when you're looking at sketches sideways like that, but as a tip, the little red arrow, the two arrow dudes, the longer one is vertical, the shorter one is horizontal. That's a little fact. So it's like 142 from the edge. But I'm just trying to get... Oh, I was very close to it. 142. Yep. Alright, so now we have that. Tutorial for me then. Yeah, this will be interesting. Alright, so first things first. I am the realist. I'm so sorry. PlayStation 2 logo. PNG. I think this one is pretty good. Oh. So save. That needs to go here. Alright, so I have a PNG of that logo. And here's the assist, Adobe Illustrator. Yeah, I think SOLIDWORKS has an auto trace add-in. It is absolutely terrible. What is the aim of the 12-hour live stream? It's just for fun, but also, you know, for the contest that everyone from around the world can enter. Yep, the giveaway is up. Yeah, thank you for reminding me. Yeah, link in the description, or you could use the QR code to the side of my face. But yeah, I do the 12-hour live stream because if I just do it in the evening like I usually do, and I live in the United States, the people who live in Europe would not be able to enter, at least easily. Like, they would have to wake up at like 3 a.m. their time. So this makes it easier for everyone around the world to enter. Because by the time it gets to the end, that's probably when all the United States people will show up, because, you know, everyone gets out of work in the evening and they'll have a chance to actually like log into the stream. I'm looking for this image, man. Oh yeah, I saved it here. I wonder, can I just click and drag? I sure can. Yeah, I am not very good with Illustrator. But what I can do is this. So I have this. I can say window, image trace. Oh, it's up somewhere. Oh, it was on the other side. Come back, image trace. I need you. Image trace. Trace. An object. Image trace. Expand. Now this should be a vector image now. Now I can say export as CAD model today as, yeah, DWG. I think that'll do. PS2 logo. Okay, and I think that worked. So now if I go file open, all files, can open up the DWG, import it. I'll put in a new part as a 2D sketch, not as reference. Finish. Would you like to enable explode blocks? Yes. Yeah, there we go. Let me see. Do I want to make this into a block, though? Oops. I don't need you. Block. Make block. And do the insertion point at the bottom of the P. Then I can save block. PS2 logo. Alright, and that's all I need for this. Make a tutorial. Yeah, I might actually clip this from the stream if it's good. If not, I'll just make another standalone video. Alright. And then we can sketch. Import. Not make block. Oh, it's insert block. Doi. Wow, that is enormous. All right. Holy. 0.001 1,000ths. That's actually pretty close. Holy crap. 270. Whoops. Actually, I need to... Come on, how do I see your properties? Yeah, let's get out of block edit. How many features so far? Not enough. Hang on. 56. I've been getting derailed, but it's totally fine. It's probably not going to be even close. But it just goes to show me and just everyone else like how much 2,000 subscribers is. Yeah, because it's actually, I don't know why this is fighting me. It's actually very common to say like, oh, you know, 1,000 subs isn't a lot, 2,000 subs isn't a lot, 10,000 subs isn't a lot. Like, no, it's a lot. And I think that, yeah, I'm just gonna start a new sketch. This thing's fighting me too much. And I think just by kind of experiencing the magnitude of a number of just like doing 2,000 of something, you know, just puts it into perspective. Yeah, it's yeah, what I'm doing is pretty good. What? Oh. Let me resize it before placing it. 1.5. Yeah, you kind of have to play around with scaling though. Alright, that's pretty close. But yeah, now I should be able to take that. Alright, looks like it has separate contours. Yeah, it's kind of yucky. It's making me pick the letters. And actually, that might be a good thing, because I don't want that rights reserved thing. There we go. A perfectly engraved PS2 logo.